right, I got an update here for GS. GS is set up to test 241 to 244. The September 15, 230 or 235 calls could be used. Now this stock here, again, is at a key pivotal point. Um, it's not as simple. I have to see what kind of negative action we do have. We cannot confirm this call plan before I make a put plan. I had made one, but the way this acted today, they really they're giving us, we need to see what they do. Can they confirm this one? And if not, then it probably will. I get in, there's going to be more information needed, but let's see if we can confirm this plan here. All right, so again, we're going to be using the September 15, 230 or 235 calls. So GS needs to break above 230 and a half on some good action volume. And good action volume is 400K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume, the thing is that we need, not only do we need to crack that 230 area, but a little higher, 230 and a half area in my opinion here. We need some volume behind it. And if we don't get that, we'll have to watch for some basing above that 230 and a half area and look for power towards 231. We need some sort of price action volume combinations, or else what it could be doing is stuck and chop. Okay, just chopping, and then really not even if it tries to attempt to get above, it doesn't go anywhere. And so we need that power. Today it looked like it had power today, right? But one thing it lacked was severe volume, and it couldn't even confirm my secondary plan, which was the basing. Okay, so now it starts at 230 and a half. It's actually higher requirements for Goldman Sachs. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Goldman Sachs closed at 227.36, up 331. Here are the September 15 calls here. It's neither going to be someone uses the August 18 if they want, or like I said, there really isn't anything that trades right now very well other than those August, or if you want some more time and use September's. Now, both of these are trading pretty good. The September 230 calls, you can see there's not a lot of trading here, and that's the thing. But there's good open interest, but there wasn't a lot of trading. You can see there's a lot of open interest even on the higher up ones. So again, these can make some good money. The 230s or the 235s. Of course, the 235s will be less expensive, but they could do very well if this thing can confirm properly. So these are the two to use. I'm probably going to reference the 235s for the confirmation if I like the action in Goldman Sachs. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plan. As you can see, confirmation is key. Study the videos, visit daily, follow Power Target Trade for updates and confirmation. You see the Sandro Power Target Trade at the end of the video? Well, actually, it's my picture of me. I kept on using the other. This is the Sandro Power Target Trade emblem I'm talking about that I usually post inside the charts. But this is a picture of myself, and I'm using that to make it more personal. And you're going to see a picture of myself posted in this corner over here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I suggest you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'm going to be doing a lot of great things here on the YouTube channel. The market's been a little bit difficult lately with what happened on Friday, on Thursday, I should say. And again, the key here is to not assume or guess, but to wait for confirmation on certain plans, because we can be a stuck in chop and then lower price, or we're going to break out and go up higher. And to do that, we do need a good combination of good strength action, good volume and price action. So let's wait for confirmation, because when the market's in a chop zone, you're going to get a lot of different movements, and then we get the directional moves. Right now, a lot of stuff's in a chop zone. Goldman Sachs, Apple, all in a chop zone from some of the drops that have occurred. So confirmation is the only way to avoid the false movements. Okay, so again, Goldman Sachs, a good stock to watch if you can confirm. There you have, people, a great update. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah.